Okay, so this is how you solve a compounding interest problem solving for t. So the problem is Laila invested $9,100 in an account paying an interest rate of 5.3% compounded daily, which is 365 days. Assuming no deposits or withdrawals were made, how long would it take to the nearest tenth of a year for the value of the account to reach $14,000? That. Okay, so if you had to set this up, you know, P equals $9,100, A equals 14050. You don't know T. R equals 5.3%, and N equals 365. Oh, jeez. Okay. So if you had to set that up into an equation, it would be 1, 4, 0. You're doing 1 plus because it's growth, not decay. This goes over 365 because that's how it's being compounded daily. So you're going to times 3 by 365. Now remember, you're solving for t. You don't know what t is. So the first step in solving for t is always divide by p. So you're going to divide both sides by p. And then you might want to leave this in fraction form before you do anything else. Equals 1. You can just put 1 plus, which would just equal this. This equals this. And then you're left with t, 365. Now your next step would be to turn this into log. So you're going to bring that over there, which would leave you with if you turn, so what you had before was 1050. When you turn this into log, it turns into log. This is the base, so it's base of 1.053 to 0.050 over 9100 equals t of 365. Now all you have to do left is divide everything by 365. And if you plug that into decimals, you get 0.02. You get a larger number than that, but you have to round to the nearest tenth, equals t. So the answer would be 0.02 years. Okay.